Hello, my name is Sekor in Roblox. Add friend me, anyone. Anyone add friend me. Add friend me. I will do a giveaway. Okay? But it cannot actually. This is a phone right now I'm using, so it cannot do live. So we have to do it. That we're not gonna do it in private. We're gonna do it in public. We're gonna do it in happens. Wait. Everybody wait. My brother, my brother, which is my brother's friend is Jandel. Yeah, he admin abuse. Sub to laser beam and Pcraft, okay? Just sub to them. Unsub to 14 if he comes with this truck again to Pcraft. He literally made it the war. He made the war by accident. If it wars again, we're gonna see. So unsubscribe KD Steak and 14 if they do that again. Sub if they do. Sub at them if they don't do that again, okay? Sub. Let's fish one. And so bye bye. I'm going back to my Roblox playing. And I have a Scarlet Maca. I'm trading it. Just say your username in the comments and I will add you. I promise. I promise. I truly promise. I truly promise it. I promise. And bye bye.